This is not a chocolate cake. It is, in fact, a filthy grease trap. That is how clean it got. So let's have a look at cleaning this very neglected, probably for quite some years, barbecue. So first step is to obviously scrape all that stuff off and toss it out. If you don't do this, the chemicals can't really seep in. So obviously this is the very first step. You might want to go ahead and wear some gloves as well and get some eyewear. I know I didn't in this video, but if you're going to do something like this, I would recommend it. So after you thoroughly scrubbed everything, you got to make sure you degrease. If you don't want to scrub for 1,000 years, make sure you use a product that actually works. So spray everything and give it proper dwell time to loosen everything up. Then go ahead and wipe all of that stuff off. You're probably going to have to do more than one go at this. And a sponge with some warm water is also a great idea. But a big thing with barbecue cleaning is you got to make sure all the chemicals are fully removed afterwards. So wash it all out and dry it. As for the great cleaning, this is a nice little trick. Take some microfiber cloths, pour it with straight up vinegar and leave sit overnight. And the last step, one of the most important ones, is once everything is clean and the chemicals are removed, crank that heat. Crank it as high as it goes and let it sit there for a long time and then wipe it down one more time.